And I like to do a guideline because it keeps me straight and on task. So I can push. And then I have to make a choice whether I want to go right next to it. Or if I want to come like here. Does that make sense? So I can either be tighter up against. So let's do that. We'll just go right up against it so they almost touch. Like that. And then we can go, again, we can go tip to tip, or we can go in between. It's up to you. I think both are nice. They give different results. This, I really love the way that this lifts here. I feel like it looks like the stone tracery, and it's a place for my glaze to kind of soak in and get juicy, run, move, all the things. Okay. Does anybody have any questions about this stamping process? And let me show one more thing that I've been working on, which is I've been working on engraving into the surface of the tools. And that's something that I referenced in the slide lecture, which is that on the half moon shape design, I had said, oh, you could engrave like a cross to make that fan. And so you really could engrave across your tool your design, and it's a really nice option, and it leaves a really beautiful residue. It's not perfect, and you know it's harder to control, but I really love what's starting to happen. So this is something I continue to investigate because I'm interested in how I can, how I'm interested in what the tools can leave behind and the residue that the tools can leave behind. And I sort of like showing that process because it emphasizes the handmade. And so that's something I'm working on.